Japan oats growing human organs in animals. Tokyo scientists in Japan will begin trying to grow human organs in animals after receiving government permission for the first study of its kind in the country. The cutting-edge but controversial research involves implanting modified animal embryos with human-induced pluripotent stem cells that can be coaxed into forming the building blocks of any part of the body. It is the first step in what researchers caution is a very long path toward a future where human organs for transplant could be grown inside animals. The research led by Hiromitsu Nakauchi, a professor of genetics at Stanford University, is the first of its kind to receive government approval after Japan changed its rules on implanting human cells into animals. Japan has previously required researchers to terminate animal embryos implanted with human cells after 14 days and prevented the embryos from being placed into animal wombs to develop. But in March, those restrictions were dropped, allowing researchers to seek individual permits for research projects. It took nearly 10 years, but we are now able to start the experiment, Nakauchi told Agence France-Presse, AFP. Promising signs. The research involves generating animal embryos, mice, rats or pigs that lack a particular organ such as a pancreas. The modified embryos are then implanted, with human cells that can grow into the missing pancreas. The embryos would be transplanted into wombs where they could theoretically be carried to term with a functioning human pancreas. Preliminary research has produced some promising signs, including the successful growth of mice pancreases in rats. The pancreases, when transplanted back into mice, function successfully and control blood glucose levels in diabetic mice. Chimera implanting animal embryos with human cells creates what is known as a chimera, an entity with both animal and human cells. The process throws up complex ethical issues, particularly over concerns that it may not be possible to completely control which organs are formed in the animal by the human cells. Ethicists fear that chimeras with human brains or reproductive cells would pose serious questions about the nature of the animal being tested. AFP. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.